Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh. Thank
Wow.
you. Welcome to John11Hot show. And my guest, as usual, BK2178.
Yes, how are you? That's not funny. What?
So, so how's it been feeling basically doing these videos of me so far?
It's a gas. I mean, really, come on.
No, not a lot of people basically watch it. I don't know if anybody basically saw my video of the threat message.
Oh, really? I think
threat message. I said. Yeah, I was threatened on YouTube. It's not funny. It's not funny, people. Yeah, I got threatened on YouTube Wednesday this month. Yeah, I know it's really sad. But again, it's like what you call it,
What?
Well, the one thing that would probably be good news is if the person that threatened me goes to jail.
Okay. Yes. Thank
you. All right. Enough pause.
All right.
But yeah, the one thing I can basically say about the person that basically threatened me is one of these. Well, not what I was basically going for.
But so what else going on, John?
Quick little what you call it. We do have a special guest, but we can't have him on camera.
Really?
Yes.
Well, why is that?
He prefers not to be on camera, especially on my show.
Oh, you think it'll ruin it?
All he could basically say is, well, this is all he could say.
Oh my.
No, we don't have George Decay. We don't have George Decay. I kind of wish we did.
Yeah.
Like,
George Decay.
And stuff like that.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Wow.
I should be getting a call from someone.
Oh, really? Who do you think it could be?
I don't know.
Let's find out.
Leo? Yeah? Okay, I understand. Okay, bye.
Who was it?
It was the electric company. They want their power back.
I don't know if that's really a false one or not. But.
I don't know either. It's probably because of the juice. The one thing though is, the one thing that's gotta suck about doing videos in your living room or dining room is if you got pets.
Unless you're in between.
The one thing that's like really annoying about having to do video footage at home is, well,
what?
Technically, you have too many of these.
What was that? Is that supposed to...
Yeah, I got two cats. I got, as everybody basically knows, Petey and Little Fur.
Oh, really? Have you ever put them on the air?
I did one time.
What happened? They were just too pussy?
Well, that was Petey's response. That was Petey's response.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he went like this. And I think Little Fur's response was this.
Oh my.
That's like George K. John.
I know, even though she's a girl.
Yeah.
I guess she can disguise her voice as a man.
Yeah, exactly. So what else going on? Okay.
I'm guessing that the so-called person that threatened me on Witchcourt is probably doing one of these, knowing that he's probably blocked from ever again sending me any messages or whatever. So he's probably at home, at his table, or in front of his PlayStation 3, probably doing this.
Watching Glorious Bastards.
No, acting like Hitler.
That's not funny, John.
Sorry. Hey! Yeah, let me tell you something. I'm German, but you know what? Yeah, I got. Hey, you know this guy. I'm not gonna go into it.
Yeah.
But it's,
All right, enough. Don't boo him, John. Don't boo him. That's not. Oh, you got man. Does everyone at least like the show so far? I mean, come on, yeah. I like the show.
It's a good show. Great show.
Yes.
It's been on like for how many years, right? Yeah, like running.
Not so many. It depends how I get here.
We have a fly here. Oh, thank you for spotting that fly, cameraman.
Yes.
Let's hope we don't have any more of them.
Yeah, no.
It's like skeeters. I think we got some skeeters in here. Probably might. Yeah. Do you see any? I mean, there's one on the wall.
Oh yeah, there is.
Yeah, like scare it. Go. Yeah. I don't like mosquitoes.
Yeah. They had this bad one in Florida.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Those ones are a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
Fine. Well, yeah. Did you order the pizza?
I thought you did.
We don't want it. Go, take it back.
Okay. This is a hysterical show. I think it's probably one of the best ones you've ever done so far. Even what was that one, John?
I don't know. I think that was Petey. Now we got a mixture of applause and everything.
Okay, this was hysterical.
Hey, Brian.
Yeah.
You're not sitting on a toilet, are you?
No.
How the hell did you even flush?
Oh no.
Oh, that's the kind of sound that you would want to hear when you're playing poker and you got a royal flush.
And that's so lifelike too. That's real lifelike. Oh my god.
Hey, you know what? Yeah, you know the one thing that's really kind of funny.
What?
Yeah,
What
Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
You ready for it?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Well, still, this is not gonna hurt.
Mm. Oh. That's terrible, John. Yeah.
How is that not hurting you? I didn't even hear you say "ouch."
I know.
Must be man of steel.
Did you broke something, John?
I think I broke a. Oh. Tough crowd. Or going Rodney Dangerfield's words. Tough crowd here.
Mm-hmm.
I got no respect at all. We do have another guest here.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, he has his face covered. I wouldn't go until you basically know it's a Leatherface. Hey, Brian. When we were in junior high, did you at least actually hear a teacher do this on a blackboard?
No, I've heard those students did. Oh, you're a pig, John.
Oh yeah.
Good job.
All right. Yeah. Like, let's see.
A few minutes left on this wild show. Is anyone enjoying themselves out there? I mean, really?
Seriously.
I know. I'm probably like bored as balls out here.
Did you have beans before you got here?
No, I didn't have beans. I had Subway. I ate fresh today. What was that supposed to be?
I think somebody ordered Chinese. Sorry, not a bad. Yeah, it's a bad joke. Bad joke. Bad joke.
Are you planning to have Chinese? Are you planning to have Chinese tonight?
What?
Are you planning to have Chinese tonight?
I don't have money. No. Although, if you're willing to pay.
Well, at least give a tip.
Don't have money for a tip.
I'll see what I can do.
I have none of these.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, the kind of tell you, if worst comes to worst, this is not fun. Yeah, this is not gonna be a funny joke. I could always say, "Give me the food."
That's not
Now
funny.
I drop the food or I shoot. I'm not gonna shoot you.
Oh, that's terrible, John. That's really, really terrible. That is really, really terrible.
Well, the worst thing that can happen is the police gets called in for that. That's not good. That's not good.
That's not good at all, John.
You got the wrong door.
Oh boy.
I got me cock my gun. Now get off my property.
Yes. So what's going on, John?
I don't know. There's like weird stuff going upstairs.
Really?
I think somebody saw a mouse. What do you think?
I don't know.
You mother.
Oh, John, take it easy. It's just a show. No one's watching.
But you know that guy is a real.
Yeah, but John. So what else is going on? So okay, so we have about 3 minutes left. Anything else you want to bring up?
No.
No, nothing. What was that, squirrel?
I think we're going to end this. Until next time, YouTube viewers and PlayStation Network members, this is John11Hot. And
we'll see you next time.
And all I can basically say, if you left this beautiful, fun show, if you try to go onto my, I try to, and you're blocked from me, all I can basically say is this. Hold on, Brian. Hold on. All I can basically say is...
Access denied.
Yep. Peace out.